On December 26, 2004, a deadly earthquake of 9 magnitude originated deep under the Indian Ocean near the west coast of the Indonesian island of Sumatra. This quake gave rise to a series of shock waves that unleashed nature's fury on thousands of unsuspecting people on the coastal regions of 11 countries from Indonesia to Africa. By the end of the day, the tsunami had claimed over 230,000 lives and caused extensive damage to property. So how do we prepare ourselves to face disasters such as these? For this, we need to have effective disaster management programs that tell us what to do before, during, and after such incidents occur. So what does the word disaster mean? A disaster is a destructive event that occurs suddenly and involves loss of life and property. Disasters can be of 2 types, natural and man-made. Earthquakes, volcanic activity, tsunamis, floods, cyclones, landslides, avalanches and droughts are natural disasters and man has no control over them. The man-made disasters, on the other hand, are triggered by human beings. Some of the man-made disasters are bomb explosions, terrorism, war or civil war, leakage of poisonous chemicals, breach in dams, air or water pollution, industrial accidents, and epidemics. Whether natural or man-made, these disasters hamper normal routine of the society and usually affect a large number of people. Disasters can also lead to huge loss of life and property. Every disaster has a specific effect. For example, if flood strikes an area, it can cause waterborne diseases and even lead to epidemics. Similarly, in the event of an earthquake, there is severe damage to buildings. When a disaster strikes a society, external help is usually needed in the form of aid to cope with its impact. This is true of India, which is considered one of the most disaster-prone countries in the world. A large population and peculiar geographical location expose India to several natural disasters like cyclones, floods, droughts, earthquakes and avalanches. Cyclones in the eastern coast, earthquakes in the Himalayan region, floods in the Gangetic plains, and droughts in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Orissa, and South India happen repeatedly. Some of the worst natural disasters to strike India in recent years have been the October 29, 1999 supercyclone of Orissa, earthquake in Gujarat in 2001, and the December 26, 2004 tsunami that hit Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu recorded the highest number of casualties during the 2004 tsunami, with over 8,000 lives lost. In a developing country such as India, damage caused to life, property, and sources of livelihood is greater than in other developed nations. It is not possible to completely secure our land from disasters, yet the loss incurred from these disasters can be reduced to a great extent by having an effective disaster management system. This is the reason why we need an appropriate system to cope with disasters. The discipline of coping with disasters is known as disaster management. Disaster management refers to the measures taken for the safety and protection of life and property from natural or man-made disasters. This means being prepared for disasters, fighting disasters effectively, ensuring the safety of life during disasters, and helping in rebuilding society after the disaster. This is done at the personal level, group level, community level, and at the governmental and non-governmental level. So, as we have seen, we can take some steps to minimize the damage caused by disasters, whether natural or man-made, by having an effective disaster management in place.